Nation News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
We saw wild and in some cases dangerous weather today. This is a look at the wet and windy conditions in Chico this afternoon.
Yeah, cold and chilly, really wet out there to start the day. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff here. Now, Jason, it looks like from some of our reporters out there that things are starting to clear up. Are you hopeful?
Yes, it is. It is getting much quieter now. Most of what happened began late last night. I got to tell you, it was really nice to be able to go to bed to the sound of rain as well as wake up to rain. That doesn't happen very often recently, so it's nice to have that. The really stormy weather is done. However, we still have rain. We still have snow. Thankfully, the thunderstorms are now gone, and even the wind is weakening, which I'm going to tell you a little bit more about coming up in a second. Looking at our satellite and radar composite, though, still very active over our higher terrain, Lassen and Plumas County, parts of Tehama and Butte County. Not that active. Actually, it's clearing out for much of the valley right now. We're going to have a much clearer sky tomorrow, but we still have a flash flood watch out for our recent burn scars, Shasta, Tehama, Butte, and Plumas counties for our summertime fires. That fire really singes the ground, makes it almost impossible for that rainwater to sink in, so it just flows as if it was falling on concrete and asphalt, so stay away from those recent burn scars. Also, we have winter weather advisories in purple for Lassen County, portions of Plumas County, the higher terrain, the plateau and the foothills. Also winter storm warnings out through 4 o'clock tomorrow morning for the Sierra, and for Trinity County until 10 o'clock tonight, 4 to 12 inches of snow for our warning areas, 3 to 8 for the winter weather advisories. We had wind advisories for the valley as well as high wind warnings for Modoc County. Those were just canceled early, so that's good news. As far as the stormy weather is concerned, it's going the right way for us. Right now, 53 degrees in Redding with a clearing sky. We had almost an inch of rain from this incoming storm, but most of that rain shower activity is already gone. 57 degrees in Chico, it's 55 degrees in Red Bluff. It's only 32 in Altura. Still active weather for our far eastern counties, getting quieter and not as windy for the valley. And we're going to have that trend continue late tonight through early tomorrow. So by 11 o'clock tonight, some spotty snow showers for the higher terrain, Modoc County, Lassen County, areas of the Sierra will have a chance for it, as well as far northern Trinity County, far western Siskiyou County. Then tomorrow it's going to be a completely different story for us. A partly cloudy sky. It'll be breezy, but also be mild for this time of year. Slightly warmer than average, just making way for another storm. The second storm in the string of storms is coming in. The same trajectory as our current storm. However, it's not going to be quite as widespread or as strong or as long lasting. We'll have more snow, more valley rain, and gusty wind, but the wind won't be as strong either as we move into Wednesday. A break Thursday. Here comes another weaker storm. Not as strong as today's or Wednesday's, but more snow for the mountains and rain for the valleys. Another break a little bit longer for this upcoming weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Then another chance for some light rain shower activity. So from today through Wednesday to Friday to next Monday, those 4 storms, that's pretty much the way they're placing, as if it was a dog show. First, second, third, fourth, as far as intensity is concerned. But we're also going to have a bit of a break. Almost every other day we have a storm, but not much more rain is going to be falling for us. Most 7-day totals, that's what I'm showing you right here. All the way through next Monday, most places staying less than an inch of additional rainfall. But I mentioned Redding already had almost an inch from our current storm, but most of that is already gone. So for the northern mountains tonight, we'll have a partly cloudy sky. It'll be cool. Overnight lows in the 20s, daytime highs in the 40s for your Tuesday. For the northeastern part of our state, we'll still have some scattered snow showers through the overnight hours, but clear tomorrow. Highs will not be very warm either. They're going to be mainly in the 40s for the ridge tonight. Quieter weather, thankfully. The tornadic thunderstorms are long gone. Overnight lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Highs in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Also a clearing sky for the valley. Can't rule out a little bit of patchy fog because we have the wet ground and a clearing sky above. So lows in the 30s. Highs will be in the mid to upper 50s for our Tuesday under partly cloudy sky. The Chico area, upper 30s and lower 40s for lows. Highs mainly in the mid 50s on average for your Tuesday afternoon. Next 7 days, though, as I mentioned, just about every other day. Chances for valley rain, mountain snow, and windy weather too. Daytime highs in the lower to mid 50s, a little bit more of a break Saturday and Sunday. Good timing on Mother Nature's part. And for Redding, we're going to have more areas of rain, wind, and mountain snow Wednesday, Friday, and to a lesser extent next Monday. Highs will stay in the 50s. Overnight lows will start to cool a little bit more down to the 30s.
Thanks, Jason. One local